America, a free nation, a land for the people, by the people. But for how long? With candidates like Darth Vader and Sam Adams, it's easy to be afraid. After all, do you really want a candidate supported by this guy?
I, Chuck Motion, support Darth Vader and Sam Adams.
Or by this guy?
I support Rosie the Riveter because the other candidates terrify me.
Hi, I'm Rosie the Riveter, and I'm telling you, America, that you don't have to be afraid anymore. Darth Vader. He killed children, 4 billion people on Alderaan, and he lost 2 Death Stars. Now, what does that say about his accountability? Me, on the other hand, I've had 18 years of experience, and I'm ready for you, America. Touchdown. Sam Adams. He wants to eliminate government spending, which would leave us, Americans, extremely economically vulnerable. Unlike Sam Adams, me, I want to see America prosper. Swish.